The TL-WPA7617 KIT AV1000 Gigabit Passthrough Powerline AC Wi-Fi Kit is a versatile networking solution that can help you extend your home or office network. In this report, we will provide you with all the information you need to know about this product to help you make an informed decision about whether it is right for you. Availability. The TL-WPA7617 kit is available for purchase on various online and offline stores, including Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and the official TP-Link website. Features. The TL-WPA7617 KIT AV1000 Gigabit Passthrough Powerline AC Wi-Fi Kit is a powerful networking solution that provides high-speed internet access and reliable connectivity throughout your home or office. With this kit, you can extend your wired and wireless network to any room in your house using your home's existing electrical wiring. This makes it easy to connect devices like laptops, game consoles, smart TVs, and other devices that require a stable network connection. Performance. The TL-WPA7617 kit provides a maximum wireless speed of up to 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and up to 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band. The kit also supports AV1000 Powerline speeds, which means you can enjoy fast and stable internet access throughout your home or office. The kit's Gigabit Ethernet port also allows you to connect your wired devices at high speeds, making it a great option for high bandwidth activities like streaming and gaming. Price. The TL-WPA7617 kit is priced at around $100, which is a reasonable price for a networking kit with these features. Productive coverage and method of operation. The TL-WPA7617 kit covers an area of up to 300 square meters, making it suitable for use in most homes and offices. The kit operates by using your home's existing electrical wiring to transmit data signals between the adapters. This eliminates the need for additional wiring or drilling, making installation easy and hassle-free. Who is this product for? The TL-WPA7617 kit is a great networking solution for anyone who needs to extend their network to hard-to-reach areas in their home or office. It is also a good option for users who require a stable network connection for activities like streaming and gaming. Pros. Easy to install and set up. Provides high-speed internet access throughout your home or office. Supports AV1000 Powerline speeds. Comes with a Gigabit Ethernet port for wired connections. Includes pass-through power sockets, so you don't lose an outlet. Cons. The kit's wireless range may be affected by the layout of your home or office. The kit may not work well in homes or offices with older electrical wiring. In conclusion, the TL-WPA7617 KIT AV1000 Gigabit Passthrough Powerline AC Wi-Fi Kit is a reliable and powerful networking solution that can help you extend your network to any room in your home or office. With its high-speed internet access, easy installation, and reasonable price, it is definitely worth considering if you need to extend your network.